Morning.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I'm kind of hungry for some eggs.
Okay.
Are you gonna make me eggs?
Sure.
You are? Is that like a Valentine's gift to your dad?
I guess.
Okay, sweet. Thanks.
But first, let's look at our Valentine's gifts.
Oh, okay.
Oh, flowers.
Do you think the Valentine bunny came?
Those are pretty.
Probably not.
Oh, look, the Valentine bunny came.
No, I don't think we did. Because
We had the tooth fairy last night
Nonsense.
and Cupid this morning.
Dang it.
Oh, Cupid, yeah. Oh, look, the cat wants to get the flowers already.
There's something I asked for
Pretty.
that I wanted and I didn't get it.
Something you asked for?
Yeah. You know the Mr. Beast. Grr. This is taking forever. Sorry.
Patience is a virtue. Arf, 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 arf. That's dog talk for hope a really nice boy has a really happy Valentine's Day. We love you so much.
Yeah, I know.
Here are reasons we love you. Because you are our son and we pray to have you for so many years and God blessed us with you. Here are qualities we love about you. You care about what we think and you don't want to disappoint us. You are a rule follower most of the time. You like routine. You don't always follow what your friends say, but you listen to yourself. You like your creative time. You are creative with music and shows and YouTube videos and comic books, creating those. You are a storyteller. You want to learn about multimedia, music and videos. You want to learn how to play an instrument. Piano now, but maybe something later. You are kind and you take care of those smaller than you.
Yeah.
You are considerate and care for those who are hurting. You are sensitive and you are ours and we love you.
Good, it's over.
Oh, well, one day you'll
I'm
that out.
sorry.
read it and be like, oh, look at all the kind things that they wrote about me.
Yay. So, as I said, yeah, we're going to make eggs. And I got my 6 eggs here. We have to have 6 eggs if you, like, you don't have to, but like, if your dad or my dad would like 2, he would have 2, I would have 2, and my mom would have 2, then that would equal 6. So, I got 6 eggs. I got this little cup that is our egg cup. I got my spatula. I think this one's called. Yeah. Got butter. That crazy butter. Got a heavy milk to put after I got the eggs scrambled in. And I got cheese. And then that's all you need for this. Okay, so I forgot. Do I do it here or do I do it up here?
I would do it on the counter, or right there.
Okay, so I got a nice. Well, I'll just spill it everywhere. I got a nice crack. Hope I don't get any shells in there. No shells. Yeah, I'm like a natural at this. Do we? Oh, no, can I use it? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna crack it. Okay, So I got all my eggs in here.
Now what do you gotta do?
I need to stir it with. What do I stir it with again? Oh yeah, fork. And you also need a fork.
Mr. Noah,
Oh yeah.
to make your eggs creamy, you put some milk in there, right?
Yeah, and then I put this.
And then you stir it up.
So you need to put some milk, not a lot. Probably just like a hint of milk. If you don't want any milk, that's fine. It doesn't need to be in the eggs. Just makes it a little more creamy. Is that good, Dad?
A little
One
tiny
more?
bit more.
Okay, I think I got it.
Yep, that looks good.
Okay. So that's probably how much you need.
And you know what? We're fancy this morning since we're making a video. I want you to use a whisk. Normally we would use a fork, but
Let's put this milk away so it doesn't get rotten.
okay, that's good. You can use a fork, but a whisk is easier.
Yeah, I'm doing this whisk. I'm putting this back. Okay, let's whisk it up.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me in the comments what you got for Valentine's Day. Yeah, I think that might be good.
Okay.
Good. Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Should I put it right there?
sure.
What? I need a napkin. Yeah. Okay, what? Oh, so now I pour it on.
No, you need your butter in there,
Yeah.
and you need to put the heater on too, right?
So I do medium, right?
Yeah. Well, we first get the butter in there.
Yeah. Okay.
Probably need a little bit more than that, but
More.
yeah. What do you think? Is that enough?
So now I take it to medium or
I
right
would
there.
go the one notch down from high. Push it a little bit.
Right there.
Let's see. Yeah, that's probably pretty good.
Ding dong.
And then you have to wait for the butter to melt. Here, hold this for a minute. Let's just make sure.
You know the title says Noah makes
Oh
it.
yeah, sorry. No, you're not even on the video. Oh wait, you're on that one, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So, do you think it's good?
No.
No.
You could use that spatula right there and kind of stir that butter around a little bit to help it melt faster.
It is gooey with it.
No, the spatula.
Oh.
That's
Oh,
the
yeah.
whisk. Just kind of stir it up so that the butter gets on the sides.
Yeah.
And you can also pick the handle up and kind of tilt the pan so that it runs around as it's melting up on the sides.
I think it might be good.
You want to make sure to coat the pan. So here, let's see it. Tip it this way.
That's a lot to
So let's see, it made the
feel
butter.
the hotness.
Yeah, made the butter run around on the pan.
I'm gonna make it hot.
I think the pan is coated now.
Hot.
It's not a lot.
Okay.
Made a heart for Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Okay, now I think you're good to put the eggs in there.
Eggs? You ready? Okay. Let's do this. The best sound ever is gonna come on. It's the sizzle sound. Never mind.
It wasn't that hot.
Yeah, I wish it was. So it
Okay.
was.
So now just hold on.
Yeah. Cheese.
And just let it. Oh yeah.
Cheese.
Get the cheese in there.
Okay. Okay, so just do like a handful of cheese, maybe a little bit more. Looks like Pickle's got something.
Yeah, I hear Mom's trying to get something out of his mouth.
Yeah.
And I think it's something of yours because I think she said Nella.
Oh. Okay.
That's probably enough.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Oh no, not my hacky sack. Oh, I'm getting it. Oh. Did you get it? Oh, like the beat? I guess I can't do a hacky sack game anymore. Dang it.
Well, we got another one downstairs.
Mm.
Okay, so now what's up next there, Mr. Chef?
I don't know. Okay. So I think we just like mix it around.
You have to be really careful, right? Because it's hot.
Yeah, really.
It's not cooking very fast though.
For if you kids are watching this and you wanna make eggs, just be careful because you probably need help from your mom or dad, whoever cooks you meals.
Well, you've made eggs several times now, but
Yeah, but like
every time we've been present, right?
yeah, but I mean like the other kids that
Why don't
haven't.
we turn this up just a little bit to make it cook faster? Cook your spatula though. So just
But what if I want to eat my spatula?
yeah. That's
I
gross.
want to. I mean, I do.
Let's take this up even to like high.
Bro.
Along there.
Couple more minutes. Flip the egg
See
around.
if you can kind of flip the bottom up onto the top.
Yeah,
Bigger amounts though. Get bigger amounts.
I'm trying.
Like really get the whole spatula under there if you can.
I don't think I can. Okay, it's about done. You should probably get the plates. It's
Okay,
almost done.
but it's not done yet.
Well,
There's still a lot of
it's-
liquidy.
Well, it's almost done.
We like our eggs kind of juicy, right? But
Yeah.
we also want them to
And
be.
it is juicy. I think we're ready. Yeah, we're done.
Those look good. So let's turn this. Let's turn this off. Why don't you bring that thing? A hot pan. Remember, it's hot. Be careful.
I know.
Over here.
Okay.
Let's see. Can I see this?
Yeah, but
See how I'm like flipping the whole thing over? Yeah, that's good. You gotta dish them?
yeah. Okay, so I think this is gonna be Dad's. No, Mom, because Mom didn't help, and Mom should be the one helping.
It's Valentine's Day, so ladies first, right?
Yeah.
Or should it always be ladies first?
It should always be.
Probably always.
I think that might be enough. Oh, it's tilting off. That might be good for her.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. Okay,
That's pretty good.
I want to serve her.
Well, here. Why don't you? Can you put this down for a minute and hold this on this plate? And
This is
Mom's
Mom's
gonna want a
eggs.
piece of toast, right?
Yeah, so you
Let's butter up a piece of toast.
and cinnamon.
Yeah, she probably would like some cinnamon sugar on that, she?
I'll do it.
So, I'll get you the cinnamon and put it on. How's that sound?
Okay, I need to serve people eggs. Need to serve eggs. Okay, you hold it.
That's a lot. What, is that cinnamon sugar or cinnamon? Yeah, that's cinnamon sugar. Okay.
Why? Why?
Well, because if it's not sugar in there, then it's not going to taste very good. What about there? Okay.
That's not that.
Bro, you going to take that to your mom?
Yeah, but I need to make the other eggs. Here, Mom. Don't forget the fork.
Oh, the fork. She could just eat with her fingers, right?
We forgot the fork.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
I'll get the fork. I'll get the fork.
Just pretend.
I am pretending.
Fork.
Bro.
Okay,
Is that good? Do
I think that's good.
you want to salt it or you want me to salt it?
Salt it.
Want me to do it?
Can I salt Mom's?
Alright. Well, you can give mom the salt. Let her do it because she
Yeah.
doesn't like a lot of salt.
I want to give her. Ladies first, remember?
Did you take her a fork?
No, I gave her a fork.
Okay, good.
Let's go to Mommy! Wait. Sorry. Now let's go to mommy. Okay, I got you the salt.
I don't need salt, bud. Okay, I'll take salt.
Yay! Yay, we made it work. Okay. Let's try it. I know all my eggs are good. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was awesome. Now, these are the most creamiest eggs ever. Maybe not ever, but
The cheese helps, doesn't it?
yeah, it does. So does the salt.